got some custom mounts, some custom risers for the longer B1 laser, which I have sitting here on my saw table. What I did originally when I first got this was I just wanted some quick mounts, so I took some square pieces of wood and put a hole in them and screwed them to the board so I could have my layout grid here. Well, I ran into a thing here a while back where I needed to have my laser raised up to do a custom project, and actually I put it on quart paint cans so I could do this custom piece for someone. And then I thought, you know, I really should make some risers for these. And I know you could buy riser sets from Longer's website, and I looked at them and they all kind of screw together, and I thought, well, you know, I've made 3D printed risers from other lasers, why don't I design some for this? So I've done that. We're going to put them on and I'm going to demonstrate them. So what these consist of is you have a base mount, that's this piece right here, and then you can go 25 millimeter up, or you can go 50 millimeter up, or you can go 100 millimeter up, or you can just get wild and stack them up and go way up. But I'm going to show you how these work. I'm going to put these mounts on here in place of these, and I'm going to do them one at a time so I don't lose my alignment with my layout grid on here. And once I get those mounted here, the base pieces mounted, I'll show you how the risers work. Okay, once the blocks are in place on the four corners, like I said, I already have a layout grid here, so I did these one at a time so I didn't lose my alignment. This will just drop in, and it is a tight fit. Like so. I know that does not change the height or the height of your laser. That's still the same height because the feet will bottom out in these blocks. The feet still bottom out on your spoil board. So now for here, once you want to raise up, you can just insert whatever size riser you want to use, and I'll set some up here. So as you go to raise the laser back up, you may have to do one corner at a time because, as I said, these are a tight fit. And just for fun here, I'm going to go with the 100 millimeter riser. We're going to get her up in the air there a ways. And there you are. Now you're 100 millimeters higher, and you could put in here whatever kind of high project you wanted to. And can you stack these? Yes, you can. I could keep coming up here within reason. I don't know that I'd want to go more than 200 millimeters. Depends what you're doing. But as you can see, this is sturdy. This doesn't wobble around or anything, so everything's still going to be accurate. And then when you want to go back, you can just take those out and put it back down on yours in the original blocks, and your layout grid will be right where you want it. So there it is, some new mounts and some risers for the longer B1 laser. And yes, I know you can buy a riser kit from Longer, which are little pieces that screw together, but you will not get this height. Who's this video sponsored by? It's sponsored by me because I want to sell you some of these. We 3D print these, I designed these. And can you have the STL file? No. I've done that in the past on some risers, and that has been misused. So I am no longer giving away free STLs for the risers and mounts that I design. So this kit will be available as either just the base mounts, or just the 25 millimeter, or just the 50 millimeter, or just the 100 millimeter, or you can get the complete set. And I'm going to put the complete set up for the same price as I don't remember exactly what it is, what Longer has for their riser set that I think only takes you to maybe 50 or 75 millimeters. So yeah, this is sponsored a little bit. It's sponsored by me. We do have a print farm here, and I do 3D print quite a few things. So trying to drum up a little extra business for that. So there's an idea for some risers. If you're talented and good in a CAD program, yeah, you can design these yourself. So if you get anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Always helps the channel. There'll be a link in the description on where to go on our website to get these, either the mounts or the risers, the whole kit, or however you want to do it. Thanks for watching. I'm Roger in the shop. See you in the next one.